In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to always restore previous session tabs in the DuckDuckGo web browser. If you've ever closed your browser and wanted to jump right back into the tabs you were using, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to go so you can quickly get back on track. Because DuckDuckGo prioritizes privacy, your ability to restore previous tabs depends on whether your browsing data was cleared. If your data is regularly wiped on exit or you use the fire button, there may be nothing to restore. Otherwise, your history will act as your roadmap to the last session. First, open the DuckDuckGo browser on your device. Give it a moment to load and make sure you're on the main window. If you haven't updated in a while, it's a good idea to be on the latest version so menus and options match what you see here. Next, look to the top right corner of the browser window for the three-line menu icon. This is your main menu. Click it once to open a compact panel of options. If your window is narrow, some items may be tucked into this menu rather than on the toolbar, so expanding it ensures everything is visible. Now, move your cursor over the history option in that menu. Hovering reveals quick access to your recent activity. On a touch device, a simple tap on history accomplishes the same thing. This is the place the browser keeps a list of sites you've visited, which makes it the fastest path to reconstructing your last session. From here, select Show All History. This opens the full history view, giving you a complete timeline of recent browsing organized by day and time. You'll typically see your most recent session right at the top. Use the search field if you need to filter for a specific site you know was open. To restore your previous session, locate the entries from your last browsing period and open the pages you recognize. You can open them in new tabs to quickly rebuild the exact set you had. Some versions may also display sections like recently closed or similar groupings, which can help you bring back multiple pages even faster if they appear. If your history looks empty, that usually means browsing data was cleared. For future sessions, avoid clearing data on exit if you want restoration to be available, and try not to use the fire button at the end of a session you plan to resume. That's all there is to it. Open the browser, go to the menu, hover on history, and choose Show All History to bring your previous session tabs back.